All right, just going to go over this real quick. Some serious problems with this unit. I couldn't get the ADAS to work. I had to restart it about 4 or 5 times. Then it started working, but it doesn't work most of the time. Let's see here. Right now we got it working. But the biggest problem is I do not have front and rear together. I have front cam, quad cam, quad cam, and rear cam. These are the only 3 options. It should be 4. It should say front and rear, or front and back. But the back seems okay. So when it's 3-way view, if I go ahead and I put the polarity to simulate a tail light for the left cam, it goes to the left. That says correctly done. If I do it to the right, it does that correctly as well. And when you let go, it goes back to the 3-way view. If I go to reverse, it does that correct. Oh, wait a minute. It's not supposed to do that. So in 3-way view, that's correct. Yeah, it's got a mind of its own. If I let go, okay. Let's try the right again, because it seemed to go ahead and have an issue with the right. Let's try that again. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, that's good. Now, if we change this to the front cam, and this is interesting. Here's where all the problems are. So you basically can't use the ADAS or the front cam while you're driving because it's just going to loop out. So here's when I put the polarity for the right. Now it's showing the rear camera, not the front. If you let go, it goes to full screen front view. That is not correct. Let's repeat that with the left, and that's the left view. Now the rear camera is showing instead of the front. If you let go, it goes back to full screen. Not good. Now if I go back to that 3-way view, okay, and I put the rear, goes to full screen rear. And let go. It shouldn't have done that. It should have just showed the rear in the middle like that. That's how it should have showed it. So there's definitely something wrong with the front camera functionality. It's missing the front and rear. And also, when you put it into standby mode, so say you unplug the car, the keys, it's going to go into sleep. Now, I'm just going to hit now. So, let's say I turn the car back on. It should resume the 3-way view. It does not. It goes to the car launcher. Yeah, that's annoying because then the user would have to press this every time, and there's a lag there. You see the cameras didn't turn on. It's booting up again. So there's definitely some issues. I do not think was designed this way. Obviously, there's something wrong with this unit, and that's it. Hopefully, we can get it fixed with a software update or have a replacement sent so we can get the other ones purchased as well, because we've got about 3 or 4 at least we got to buy. Anyway, that's it for now. Now, what's interesting, if I go back to the front view, with the two left and right sides. And if I tap right, it opens up fine. If I tap left, it opens up fine. So I'm not sure why it wouldn't do that with the power going to turn left, and then it goes back to full screen. And when you hit turn left, it also shows, or turn right, it also shows the rear camera, no more the front. That's just weird. It should just show this view, but turning left should be this, and turning right should be this. And then when you're done turning, it goes back to this view.